Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. Well, the time has come. It finally showed up. I have been waiting to receive this air fryer pretty much since yesterday, but I've been wanting to get one for quite some time. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, and I'll unbox it with all of you. Okay, so here's a little booklet. I think it has to do with my warranty. Let's see here. All right, I'm guessing this is some papers and maybe it does say it comes with a recipe cookbook, so it's possibly even that as well. So we'll see what that's about now. All right, here we go. Let's see here to figure out how to get it open. I'll figure that that's something to do with the power cord. So let's see here. All right, so here is the air fryer out of the packaging. And now what I need to do is figure out how to unravel. Okay, I see what I have to do. I guess I have to take the twist tie off, and I will figure that out. Here we go. So I will go ahead and set this up, and I will let all of you know. I will let all of you know how it is, because I do plan on doing a part 2 on this to let you know how some of the food comes out. So anyway, there you go. This is the air fryer. And what I plan on doing, as I just mentioned, is I will be updating you guys as to how certain food and certain food items come out. My first step on what I want to cook, I'm going to try some chicken nuggets, and I'm going to also do some French fries. And I will also probably try a grilled cheese as well. But most of all, now that I'm here, I need to thank Jan from New York City Saves Money. She has a Dash air fryer, not this model. I think hers is one below. And I kept hearing all these different things that she was cooking in it. And I said, you know what? I myself, I need to take that plunge. I need to go ahead and purchase one. I know my birthday's not until the 31st of October, but I saw it go on sale and it was like $10 off retail or what they normally sell it for. So I just had to jump on the bandwagon and get it. So I will get back with you. There will be a part 2 to this, and it will have to do with certain foods that I will cook or make in it and see how it turns out. So stand by on for that. I'm glad you guys could be with me this afternoon to unbox it, and I'll see you guys next go around. Bye.